For word study this week, we're going to be focusing on context clues. So just to review, context clues are words around the word, around the unknown word, that we use to help us figure out the meaning of that unknown word. There are 5 different types of context clues that we can use. First is the definition. Sometimes in that sentence, it gives us exactly what that word means. Here our examples read, the boy was unresponsive when he didn't answer any of the questions we asked. So unresponsive means didn't answer any of the questions, or he wasn't responding back. Next we have antonyms. This is the opposite of the unknown word. For example, the blade of grass was massive compared to the tiny ant. So if we're looking for the opposite of tiny, the meaning of the word massive must be huge or really big. Next, we can use word parts. This is where we're looking at the prefixes and suffixes with that word. For example, I think you are overreacting to this problem. That prefix over means exaggerating, or you're doing more than what is needed. So our unknown word overreacting here means that you're reacting too much. Next, we can use an example. This is where the sentence is giving us a list of examples of that unknown word. Here we have a beverage such as a cold water or tea will be served shortly. We have our key phrase here, such as, which lets us know they're about to list these examples of beverages. Next and finally, we have synonyms, a word that has the same meaning as the unknown word. For example, I hate or detest eating green peas. I don't like peas either, they're pretty gross. So our unknown word here, detest, means hate. It is giving us the same meaning.